Hey guys, we're going to be building my PC today. What the fuck are you doing?
Like and subscribe.
So, what I'm going to obviously start out with is the motherboard. Naturally, being the most, possibly, the most sensitive part, I got this shit hooked onto it. I don't know if it's in frame, but...
Anesthetic wrist strap.
Yeah.
Can't be too careful with these things, especially when you don't have money once you've bought your parts.
Yeah, especially with how much shit costs.
Oh my god, yeah.
Okay, so, I'm assuming... What a great way to start a video. I'm assuming...
Okay, so I'm assuming, like...
But yeah, I'm assuming CPU goes in first.
Well, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Otherwise you're gonna have thermal paste all over your CPU socket. Then you have to lick it off.
This video is a shit show. Okay.
This channel's a shit show. No wonder it's dead as fuck.
Try not to line
Yeah,
this.
now you don't want to touch the top.
It's just a sticker? Okay.
Yeah, it's just a sticker. You don't need to deal with that.
Looking for the triangle. I can't see shit.
So the triangle corner is going to be this corner.
Alright. And I want to match it up with that.
Yeah.
Wait,
yeah,
so go in like...
So you find the gold triangle.
Yeah, it's right there. So it'd go in like that.
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah, because the triangle is that little indentation right there.
Alright, I want to open.
Yeah. Open
First,
that.
though.
Yep. And then you put this back in frame.
Okay.
There we go. Yeah. Right. It should settle into those holes. Yeah, there you go. That's easily like the most stressful thing.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to break the pins. I don't want to break the pins.
I know, dude. I was like shaking and
Yeah.
shit. I'm like, fuck. Like,
Yep.
everything else past, so this is pretty fucking easy.
Thermal paste gets
Like-
like a little weird. But
Well, yeah, but since it's pre-applied.
it's
and-
pre-applied and
It's just
every,
a little
all the
tiny bit
holes
of it.
should line up.
Yeah, I mean, it's stock cooler.
Yeah.
Wait, should we... Doesn't need shit on the back? You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah. Because it's got the screws here, so I'm pretty sure we have to take those off
Okay,
and put
it's
that on.
Easy. Where's the
Yeah.
screwdriver?
Hold on one sec.
Alright.
This goes in this way.
So, next up... What the fuck does this go on? Like, this on?
You're gonna have to, yeah. The way they aligned
AMD, get your shit together.
yeah, the way they aligned the fan on this cooler, you have to either have the AMD logo vertically here or vertically here. You can't be like so that you can read it.
You can't have a symmetrical. Nah, we ain't about that, like, good shit.
Yeah. So my suggestion would be your fan header for that is right here. So you're probably gonna want to make it so that
Like that, so I can, like...
yeah, so that you can run it around. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that works.
So do you want a hand? So you want to like hold it in place while you screw it on or something?
Sure.
All right. Let me slide on in here.
There, okay. I'd say that should be good.
Yeah, that doesn't feel like it's going to go anywhere. And it's not like it's a super tall
Oh, yeah.
cooler, so it won't be a ton of weight pulling down.
So,
Then your fan header's that one.
I think I'm gonna wait.
No, that one you can plug in.
I know, but remember what happened with your case? How there was a
Oh,
hole
yeah,
up
yeah.
above? I'm gonna wait just in
Go
case,
ahead, yeah.
because worst case scenario, I
For
wasted...
those wondering, his fan header is right
there. I'm not gonna touch it, because fuck that.
right in there.
So next up, don't want to fuck that up. Make sure it's not hanging off the edge. Next up is my RAM. Should we pause it?
No, keep.
Alright, because I'm not sure which RAM slot it goes in. Because remember, like last time?
Let's see. It says on here. Alright, find your information packet from the motherboard.
Information packet from the motherboard.
It's an Asrock board, right?
Yeah. Is it over there? Under here? Nope. Fuck. I can probably check online.
Because I know there's a specific order. Just Google search. I don't think it matters what manufacturer. I think they're all the same. I just know there's one specific one that you want to populate first.
Yeah.
No, it's AMD. Dude, what the fuck? We made a mess out of this shit already.
I mean, just add on to it. Hold up. I'm looking for it. RAM. It'll say somewhere in here.
Yeah.
Fuck you, Asrock. Not really. I like your product so far, as long as it doesn't fuck shit up. But CPU, chipset, memory. Okay. There. It's got this shit. I've got the dual.
DR.
Yeah.
And what frequency?
2666.
DR 2666.
Yep.
A2.
A2.
So you're gonna want to go this
one.
Second one, yeah.
All right.
All right. So that's how you figure it out. Center that.
Yeah, this shit can just kind of fuck off. So
you actually rotate it so the camera can see.
All right,
there you go.
I'm just moving.
So your
A2.
Yes, A2.
Right.
So that'd be this slot. So pop open your That's the one that it says to populate first. So that's the one. You need both of them open.
Yeah. You sure that moves?
Sure.
It doesn't look like it.
Oh, okay. Yours is different than mine then.
See, they're not all the same. Just because this one's black. No. Don't want to get political. Fuck. YouTube
Save it for
murder me.
future videos where we try to.
Okay, so.
Did you line up your?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's over here.
Good. And push down till it clicks. There you go. You've successfully broken it. I mean, you've successfully installed your RAM.
I'll find out later when it catches on fire and shit. So, I'm gonna shut that off. Okay, what do you think would be next?
Well, you got that put together, so
Put it in the case?
pretty much.
Fuck, okay.
Yeah. We'll be right back. Hey, what up? We're back. I'm gonna be putting the motherboard in now that we have everything assembled.
Okay. So same thing as before?
Right.
Right? Yeah.
Grab that wire.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Grab it down a little bit.
grab the wire.
Oh, the wire.
Yeah.
You need to come down more. Down, down. Push it back. There you go. There we go. That's good.
And then this is a grip kind of. Yeah. There it is. There it is.
Okay, so now we're going to flip this on its front probably and put the power supply in. This is... Watch the entire case just like fall now.
I was about to say,
I did this with mine too. Fuck my entire life. I'm editing that part out.
No. You keep my fuck ups in, we're keeping yours in.
Nah, B. I'm gonna remove my fuck ups.
Nah, B. Oh, that's right. Those.
Yeah. Okay, there's little pegs. I was gonna say like, kind of look like you could screw
nice.
them in there. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll
Make
put
sure
there
that
for
thing
now,
doesn't go
and
in
then
anywhere. Well, you're gonna need to screw it in. So.
screwdriver's down there.
Those. So actually,
I hope it's recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
Just think, all YouTubers have to start somewhere, and some stay there.
Some never get better. We're that some. Right, putting the hard drive in now.
Okay, how to break a hard drive. So, step 1, let me have it. Step 2, fuck it up immensely.
Yeah. I'm gonna play with it on this one and grab the hard drive here, see if I can figure this shit. Oh, you got it?
Yep.
Okay.
And then it's got the 2 screw port there and there.
If you want to be extra secure.
Yeah.
Honestly, yeah, you probably don't need it, but if you want to, that's totally up to you.
I mean, okay, it's 1 terabyte, and even if it does like shit itself, it's what, $50? Like, yeah, it's quite a bit of money. But
well, I mean, it's secured by those,
yeah,
it's fine, so I don't see it being an issue.
Hey. What's it got?
Yeah, there you go.
There it is.
And it just slides right in.
Not as easy as my last case.
Your last case was weird, though. Like, oh, it was a full tower, but it was really weird.
Well, like, I mean, the hard drive.
Yeah. Yeah, no, those
accessibility,
were nice.
That was, like, easiest thing ever.
The best thing about that case.
Yeah.
Let's spin this thing.
Unless you're going for an orange and black theme, I guess. It's good then. Okay, next, GPU.
GPU, that's the last component we have, then you just got a wire.
And then...
just pull that out. Yeah.
Okay.
So, there's a lot more cooler there. Oh wait, make sure that's pushed. Yeah, there you go.
We don't need to do that.
No, you'll definitely break something if you try to push it in without first unlocking the thing.
See, that's what the viewers want.
I don't think we have any viewers, so...
If we do, they are very few and far between.
If we do, they are very disappointed right now.
It should be.
Yeah, I'm a disappointment.
Okay,
you're a disappointment. We're both disappointments. Yeah.
And... oh, don't fucking get caught there.
Yeah, there you go.
But this got caught in there, and I was like, I swear to God.
So now you just need to take those thumb screws and put them back in there.
Alright, I'm going to take that off, because I can't imagine...
You're good now. As long as you don't touch it. You know what's funny, though?
Me fucking on my computer.
No. You know what's actually entertaining?
Not us.
Yeah, that's true.
Like and subscribe for more self-deprecation.
So, all we have left to do on this build is to do some wiring. As you can see, it's not done. We got a lot to do. We got to hook, plug all the headers, fan headers, LED headers, everything. Plug everything into the motherboard, and then manage the cables. And then we'll be ready to turn it on and see if it runs. So, we'll get back to you when cable management is done, because I honestly don't think anyone really wants to watch that. And it's not going to be done that well anyways, because there's a very real possibility for upgrades in the near future. Yeah. So, why go all out with it if you're going to change it anyways? Yeah. So we'll get back to you when that's done, and peace out until then. All right, everybody. Attempt number 1 at turning it on. Let's see if I fucking wired everything correctly. I hear fans running. Maybe we should hook it up to a monitor.
You know what? Fuck off.
So wait, what is the fan spinning? Do we have? Yeah, we got spinning fans.
How about up there?
Yeah, both are spinning.
What about the GPU? Maybe not.
That one's spinning.
CPU?
Yeah, they're all spinning.
Oh.
Yeah. So we got power. No lights yet. So I'm wondering if maybe we do have to plug it into the RGB header.
Wait.
Although, see if you can. Yeah. Hold on. So is that one? What's this one? That's probably reset.
So we that, but
we probably fucked up the
LEDs, but
it's spinning up. So what I suggest we just bring it upstairs so we can hook up have it to a monitor.
Have a stroke there a little bit.
Had a stroke, yeah. So let's go hook it up to a monitor and see if we can get it to post.
Alright, just let me know.
Attempt number 2. See if it'll post. Please, 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 fucking please. I mean, we know we got everything working well enough.
Yes!
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 Yes, we did. Jesus Christ, I'm so happy.
There's 2 for 2. I'm so happy.
Jesus Christopher, thank you, Jeebus.
That's going in. I don't give a shit. That's going in.
All right. I think we got it figured out. So, moment of truth. Here we go. All right.
Wrong color. I want my money back.
Well, you're gonna go right here and go. Oops! I hit the. Oh.
Oh, hold up. Hold up.
Hold on. Yeah, turn them lights off.
Oh my God. I'm happy.
Oh. When you get your Razer, when you buy a Razer mouse and keyboard combo. Razer as fuck. I need to get me some LED strips.
Oh my God.
Ooh. Can we get? Ooh.
Okay.
White.
Okay. I fuck with that.
I fuck with that hard, dude. Hold on. Let's
hold it. Yeah.
Let's bring this in. Let's bring it in.
It sucks because it's not gonna look as good on camera as it will.
No, it never does. But like just.
Fuck, dude. Hold on. So quiet too. It's amazing.
That looks awesome.
Wait. Put that down. Like.
Oh yeah. It's quiet too. Like obviously, but it's real quiet. Wow. What other colors do you get? So you got blue, purple. Ooh, that kind of looks good.
Okay, I kind of fuck with that.
Yeah.
That's some tech source type fucking.
Oh
color.
yeah.
Like you know those beast ass PCs.
Yeah.
They're always rocking that.
Some pink, red.
Oh, I fuck with the red.
Orange. That looks cool. Yellow.
And we're back.
The
in
green.
fully.
Some like light blue there. Some.
It's like teal.
Sort of bluish, and then the white. Honestly, the white looks the best.
Yeah,
I'm gonna level with you. The white looks.
I fuck with the white.
Oh my God!
I just gotta.
Yeah. So let's do that, and then the wiring's done. So
Shit, dude.
So all that's left to do is put the paneling back on. You're gonna need an OS, but put the panel back on and peel that plastic off. Yeah.
Oh, I'm happy, man.
And with the panels on now. Power switch. Yeah. Oh man, that white it looks so good. Go for it.
Wait.
Oh, you want to get a close up of that?
Yeah.
Oh man, that looks so good.
Oh, I can see dust on it.
You know.
I'm that fucking picky, which is sad.
That
Please handle with care.
that tempered glass, man.
But like, fuck.
You don't understand when YouTubers talk about it, but holy shit.
I'll leave that on for now.
Tempered glass versus
Plastic.
yeah, the acrylic. You don't think it's a big difference, but oh my God, is it a big difference?
And 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Oh yes.
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Oh
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Putting that panel on it improves it so much. Holy shit.
Well, should we get the OS?
Yeah, I think we should get the
Do you want
OS.
all the
and,
software shit?
Yeah.
See, that's what I'm fucking horrible with. The
Yeah.
software.
Yeah, let's get that going. We'll update you guys. Again, I don't think this is something people really want to watch, so I'll update as we go.